sunflowers this year, and boy have I grown some huge sunflowers. Striped sunflowers this year. Last year I grew a sunflower and it was not this big. We talked about it before, so we're not going to dwell on it. Now I grew these, thinking that they was going to only get as high as this fence right here. They have doubled the fence. And that's not what I was expecting, so we're not going to get sunflower seeds out of all of these. You know, I was really trying to get the bees, so it really wasn't even a sunflower seed go. It was bees. Haven't really seen much bees on the sunflowers, but yeah, these seeds I think I'm gonna get. Looks wonderful. So like I said, it's your girl Nisha B, and we just focusing on the sunflowers in this video. I got plenty of other things growing in my wild front yard. This is my hubby's sunflower. He probably just gonna cut it off anyway. I also wanted to point out attention. Look at that one growing two heads. It already got one. It's growing another sunflower head. Is that possible? This is my first time growing sunflowers, so if you know, let me know. It's almost to my power line. So let's take a look and see if these sunflower seeds are gonna be ready anytime soon. My son rubbed this off last weekend. Look at it. I think those are the sunflower seeds. So I'm gonna be cutting them soon. I'll be cutting the heads off on them. Because there I shade my tomato plants something terrible. It's time to go ahead and get rid of them. And they said that once the flower petals fully fall off and everything, that the heads are ready, are dried out and ready. So we're gonna see if we can get some sunflower seeds this growing season, y'all. Wish me luck. And also subscribe if you want to see this journey of sunflowers, because I plan to be posting each step. I just want to let y'all know that these sunflowers are gonna come to an end soon. I wasn't expecting it to do all this. Like I say, it's growing another head and everything. So if you want to get to see me try to get sunflower seeds off of these sunflowers, baby, hit that subscribe button so you can get notifications when I upload that video. Alright, until next time, you guys.